again, take a peek at that somebody. Thank you, Mark.
Which ticker was that, JP? Sorry.
YouTube's up.
Thank you.
That was VLC and Victor Love Coach Notes.
Coach, yeah, thank you.
Yeah. And
What
my
just
coach,
happened?
Mark, helped us all through the morning on this one. And look at it. It just was amazing if you traded the trade.
Very nice. Good job. Good morning, everybody. Here we go. Coming in hot. Let's go, everybody. Moderators, today I will try to turn my speaker system down a little bit. See if we can not get that echo feedback. We'll work on it. Hold on. Setting everything up. Oh, coming in hot. We are live. Everybody do me a favor right now. We still have not met our goal. Everybody in the room, open up TikTok. Everybody that is in my Zoom, open up TikTok. But coach, I only use MySpace and Facebook. I don't care. Open it up. Make sure you follow me, which is American Dream Trading Inc. It's my secondary account, American Dream Trading Inc. Get over there. Follow it. I'd appreciate it. We're trying to get it to 1,000 followers. We're at 330-ish. Okay? We want to get that one up there. American Dream Trading, Inc. Let's make it happen. I know you can do it. You can do it. Don't forget to share it out, like all the stuff. Those of you that are watching over in our regular TikTok, I appreciate you. Make sure you double tap those screens. Click that share button. And subscribe if you're feeling very generous for all the free millions of dollars worth of training that I've done in here over the last 3 years for free. Appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you for being here. Limited, restricted. I don't mow my lawn, dude. I have people that do that. I'm not doing that. But I appreciate you. Thank you for thinking of my grass. What? Right. Appreciate all of you. Thank you. If you guys are watching on all the other platforms, make sure you guys are hitting the likes, the subscribes. YouTube, by the way, we're at 2,500 videos now. I looked at this the other day. I'm almost positive that's what it is. Let me look. I believe it was 2,500 videos. Are you serious? Are you serious right now? Yep, 2.5 thousand training videos. Can you guys believe that? Here's what's crazy. We're going to end up having more videos than subscribers. How does that happen? We're at 2.5 thousand videos and only 15.5 thousand subscribers. Yeah, we're working on that. We're working on that. Goodness gracious. Let's everybody head to YouTube. Type in American Dream Trading. Hit subscribe. Thank you. Appreciate it. Listen, we're just trying to work the algorithms so we can get in front of more people, so we can help more people change their lives. That's all we're doing here. Thank you, James, for that post over on X, a.k.a. Twitter. I appreciate all the support. James is always supporting us over on X. Thank you. Let's see. JB, I see you over in the free area. Glad to have you in here. Everybody else, if you guys are interested in joining us at any time, American Dream Trading, Just join the Discord for free. You can at least start to communicate with us. We have tons of free information. Real quick, I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Don, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Palm Coast, Ange, Richard, Doug, Bucko, Chris, Eminem, Ralph, Jeffrey, Mountain Man, Gilly, and Diesel Dan. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you to all my military family. Anybody that's serving or that has served, thank you. We honor and respect you every day. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me. All my truck drivers around the world.
All
right, we'll take it. Thank you. Appreciate all of you. Looks like for all of our paid members, we've already posted all the hot stock picks. We've already walked you through the pre-market setup where we give you all those situational support and resistance levels that you can use at the bell and throughout the day. All that's been done. The IPO Center is updated. We are ready to rock and roll. VIP members and Diamond members, has anybody made any money yet today?
Yes, I did.
Thank you. Anybody else? One
Watching and
person.
learning.
Thank you. Just JP is the only one who's made money. Good job, JP.
Coach every day with your running.
Thank
for
you.
your teachings.
Thank you. Good job.
Thank you, Coach.
Thank you. Good job. Good job. Now, listen, I'm live here every single day from 9 to 11-ish. Sometimes I run way over. Sometimes I dip out early. Just depends how I'm feeling for that day. But 9 to 11, I'm live here every day training you on stocks, options, and futures, right? Because you guys are watching me trade futures literally live. I've been doing it for the last 3 to 4 months trying to build up our futures program, right? Getting more bodies over there for Mark to help out. Speaking of Mark, he is also one of our moderators and trainers over here. So every day he is live from 2 to 4 o'clock. You can find him the same place here on all of our channels. And then at 5 o'clock, we have our wrap up, the aftermarket show, where we discuss things that happened in the market, current events, things that are going on, and how everybody is doing in the market. So 3 times a day, we are live. Don't forget, at any time, you guys can ask questions. Anytime you want on any of these platforms, Discord, LinkedIn, Facebook, X, Twitter, MySpace, Rumble, Kick, Instagram, doesn't matter. Ask. I have 20 moderators standing by to assist you. New goal going up for our super chats over there on the YouTubes. Nice, nice. If you guys have any questions, you want to shout out, you want to say anything, hell, you want to throw out your company name, I don't care what it is, throw it up there, right? The larger the super chat, by the way, the longer it stays up there for me to see it, but I've got a new goal up there. Speaking of goals, we want to hit that 100 subscriber mark over on TikTok. I see we're currently at 16 subscribers right now. Let me read those subscribers off who've been getting a shout out every day. Man, can't beat that. Thank you to Dave, Bobby, Sean, Victoriano, Fresh Prince, Sergio, Shea, Texas, T. Gallet Lee, Zachary, Straight Razor, Chart and Soul, Doug, Bucko, Alex, and S. Brown. Thank you for being subscribers and supporting us over on YouTube. We appreciate you. By the way, all that money that goes into TikTok with your gifts and all your amazing stuff, I just give it to other creators, just so you know. Literally, I'm always gifting creators that I see out there. None of that money comes to me. I'm always just re-gifting that stuff, so I appreciate it. Thank you. Appreciate you helping everybody out. Sorry, one sec. I got a Windows pop-up. All right, here we go. All right, real quick, just going to play a 4-minute introduction of the member services we have. I'll be right back in 4 minutes.
You guys want to head over to AmericanDreamTrading.com and get signed up at least for the free Discord. Make sure within the first 24 hours you verify your account. You will get an email from us to make sure you verify your account, or the system will kick you off thinking you are spam. You guys can get into our premium membership at $125 a month. With that, you'll get access to the membership lounge, which we have an open microphone where you can ask any questions all day from 8:45 until 4 o'clock. You guys will get all the hot stock picks, which we've already posted and have already been making money on this morning. You'll get the pre-market setup, which will give you key critical areas at the opening bell and throughout the day. The IPO Center, so any new and exciting IPOs that come out, you will have access to those. Any earnings that are coming out, and of course, our videos on demand. We have 11 full training videos to get you started. Things like the 2-minute EWO, day trading, swing trading, covered calls, cash secured puts, etc. All inside of our premium membership for $125 a month. When you guys are ready to upgrade, I highly recommend, regardless of how much experience you have, signing up for the VIP membership starting at $500 a month. With that, you'll get the pre-market access starting at 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. every day. You guys will get access to the VIP lounge, all the workshop classes. We put one of those on every month, and the previous recorded sessions. You guys will get the VIP training videos. We have over 50 advanced training videos for you. And the Trading View indicators. If you have a VIP, you can upgrade to the gold add-on, which is an additional $250 a month. You can get the mastermind classes, 1 hour of tech support if you need us to remote in and help you get.
Sorry about that.
You guys, lounge access, priority help desk support, our news service, which is worth its weight in gold just for that. You'll get all the breakout rooms every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at noon. Everything, of course, for you as a gold member will be recorded. So if you are gold for crypto futures or stocks and options, all the sessions will be recorded for you. And of course, you'll get our exciting live Apple chat. We've got David over there in the mornings showing you exactly what he's doing with the 2-minute EWO and just the Apple, which is one of our amazing strategies that you guys will learn here. So we have our futures membership, our regular futures membership starting at $250 a month, which the futures is going on right now. They are, again, just like us, every day with a live open microphone from 8:45 to 4 o'clock every single day. You'll get all the futures education, all of the training videos, the futures lounge. The Trading View indicators are actually included with the futures memberships that start at $250, and of course, all of the extra Zoom classes when they have them. Crypto is the same thing. If you guys want to jump into the crypto, that one now is also $250 a month and includes the Trading View indicators. Same thing, all the training videos, anytime that the Zoom sessions are available. Now, the Zoom sessions for crypto is a little different just because it's a 24-hour, so we try to bounce that one around so you get different time and different events. We are always posting those, so you guys make sure you take advantage. And of course, a Diamond Lifetime membership. With that, you get everything. Unlimited, lifetime access, all of our membership services, meaning anything that I create. Platinum's coming up, you'll have access to it. I believe that's going to be $1,000 a month. Diamond, you'll get access to that. It'll just be $20,000. You guys want to head over to AmericanDreamTrading.com and get signed up.
There we go. All right. Thank you, everybody, for allowing me to do that. Right. Daddy's got to get paid. That's how I get paid. I train all of you so you can trade and you make your money. I make my money, right, from training all of you. That's my job. My job is not to trade, but to show you how to navigate the market. Lucid, by the way, LCID is up this morning, 44%. LCID, Lucid, popped off at 8:30, is now up 44%. Good job, everybody. Lots of good things happening. We've got about 15 minutes, give or take, to the bell. We got a runner right now. VLCN, 2.8 million volume super low floater under 1,541K. VLCN right now. VLCN. $44. This thing's up 380%. If you don't know how to trade in the pre-market, don't. It's not for you, right? If you don't know how to do it, don't do it. If you do, you already know what to do, right? Watching this 9, see if it respects this level. Checking your L2s. I can see we've got level of resistance around $45. 2.89 million volume. $44 now resistance. Watching your 9, keeping an eye on it. If you look at previous level of support, it's sitting around $37, give or take, right here. So if you were waiting in the weeds, you could wait for this to pull back down to this 21 or around $37, not financial tax or investment advice. Speaking of that, here at American Dream Trading, myself, Chad Christian, and anybody else associated with us, none of us are financial tax or investment advisors. Everything we discuss is for training and education purposes only. Why is this not connected anymore? I wanted to show you guys some live trading. Hold on, let me see if I can get it there. I want to show you guys some live trading today off of our Trading View indicators. See if we can do that. Webull today, looks like it updated to everybody else. Webull, you can now do trailing stops if you do the update today. Trailing stops on your futures account. Check it out. Give me 1 second, making some adjustments to this. There we go. Not this one, wrong one. Bear with me, just making some slight adjustments over here so we can try to trade off of that today so I can show you another way to trade. All right, how we doing over here? TikTok, how we doing over here? Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Rumble, Kick, Twitter, MySpace. Where are we at? Get to chit chat. I want to see you. I want to see you and know you are here. Appreciate you. Mark's over there getting it done for our futures members right now as we speak. Okay, hold on 1 second. Let me look at this filter. 1 second, gang. Looks all right. Okay. All right, see you later, Wizards. Have a great day at the office, buddy. I see you over there on your Zoom chat. There's Don with a super chat today. Hey. There it is. Don says, good morning, everybody. Smash that like button. Thank you so much for that, Don. I appreciate you. Love your face. Make sure you guys check out that aftermarket show. While you're there in the aftermarket show, make sure you throw some money into that tip jar. You'll see it linked below the YouTube videos every single day. Show her the love that she deserves over there, getting it done on the daily. Anybody have any questions for me? We've got about 13 minutes to go. I'm watching all the free areas. Post your questions. If you're on YouTube, throw it up in a super chat. Trust me, it's super easy to see when it just bing lights up like a big neon sign. If you're over on TikTok, what questions do you have? Ask. If you're watching us for free, ask. If you're a free member over in our Discord or on one of the sites, what questions do you have for us? What is holding you back from finding success? Tell me right now. Everybody, I'm watching. Where did you end up yesterday? Yesterday, I ended up down about 8K. About 8K. So I took a hit yesterday. Some days, right? Some days are green, some days are red. I was up, down, all around. I think at one point yesterday, I was down like 17K. Fought back. And yeah, I think it was like 8K. Yep. It won't let me in on the Zoom on my phone. Log out, log back in. I already bought a lifetime a long time ago, but I'm golfing today. No worries. Good to see you here. So you made some of it back since you went off. Yes. Yep. Not all of it. I think I was maybe down 13 or something when you guys left. I ended up getting down. Well, I was down 13. So this is funny, right? This is kind of the battle of what we do here. I was down 13.
I thought it was only 10.
Was it? I don't remember.
It was 10.
But I got down. And then as soon as I got offline, I got to about, I was only down about 5K. And then, this is stupid. Follow my rules. For God's sakes, please follow my rules. I put in 2 or 3 NQ contracts. I literally walked into McDonald's. This is stupid. Listen, don't ever do this. Listen to the sound of my voice. Have a stop on each and every trade, right? I was up about $1,000 or $1,500. I'm like, I'm literally going to go in here, use the bathroom real quick. Boom, boom, right? Bathroom, wash my hands, I'm out. 30 seconds, right? I come out, I was down 10 grand. I'm not exaggerating. I was like, oh, no.
You know you need the smack.
Oh, it was horrible. Let me show you. Let me see if I can actually find it. Oh, look at you guys see where I charted out this double top this morning? Look at it pulled back on the double top. Can you guys see it? Oh, that's nice. Oh, what do you know? Let me look. 15. Crap's going to be too hard. But it literally, like, it was one of these bleeders. Like, I come back, it's like, oh my gosh.
It's because you weren't there. It punished you.
I know. Hey, and I should have had a stop.
Right.
And if I didn't trust the stop, then don't even be in the trade like that, right? James, thank you for the $5 super chat. Says, thank you, coach. No, thank you. I appreciate that. That's 2 out of the 8 to goal. Appreciate you. Again, if you guys want a shout out, you want to talk about your company real quick, throw up a super chat, right? You want to ask a question, you want me to look at a stock, super chat, baby. It's the easiest way. We're staring at it, right? Coach left while the trade was open. Yeah, that was stupid, James. Stupid, man. Right? Don't do some of these foolish things. I know we've all been burned. I have. It's not my first time, and I'm sure it won't be my last time. But how about no stupid mistakes? That'd be great.
That's how and why you develop the rules.
Yes.
That's where they came from.
That is exactly right. Exactly right. Now, today, because Webull turned it on for everybody, I must have had the beta because I've had those trailing stops for, 3 or 4 months now. Today, if you guys want, I will show you in real time with real trades how to put in trailing stops on futures. And I know most of the time in here, we're just talking about stocks and options. But again, I've been trading futures live in front of your faces, right, for about 4 months, building the program up. So we'll do it again. Now, if you guys hear me talking about ES, so if I say ES, I always say SPY with it though, right? That way you guys are all in the loop. If you hear me say ES or SPY or ES, right? That's what we're talking about. I might be trading ES and we're talking about SPY. You might see me trading NQ, which is the NASDAQ, but I will be talking about SPY. I do that because I know that the majority of the people that are in my Zoom, 99% of the 250 people that are in this room right now are for stocks and options. So you'll hear me talking about SPY constantly, right? We live and die by SPY in this room, okay? So if you're looking for it, now I know over on the free stream, you guys can only see my primary chart, but all paid members, we have 3 charts on my screen at all times. There's always the one I'm trading on up on the top. Bottom right is always SPY and will forever be and never change. And most of the time it'll be Apple on the bottom left, but that's the one that I rotate through and you guys are like, hey, coach, look at this. Check out this one. What is that? So those of you that are watching for free, you don't get to see any of that. Also, if you guys are watching for free, you don't get to see me with the whiteboard. You don't get to see me drawing levels and putting things up and right when we're doing the training while we're in here for 2 hours. Okay. It's not because I'm trying to hide it behind a paywall. It's because we're using Zoom and Zoom is not grabbing that. And I'm just literally grabbing my Webull and not the area. And I know I could do it and all the things, but we're not. Guess what? You want to see it? See you over in the premium side, right? Come on over. I know that we give you more free training than anybody ever has in the stock market world, but how about you support us? That'd be great. Speaking of support, 6 minutes to bell. In exactly 2 weeks from tomorrow, will be our 3-year anniversary. Do not miss that. Do not miss that. We're going to start sending out content today, social media content, getting you ready for August 1st. Videos, social media, TikToks, right? Email, gang, send out an email blast. Make sure everybody shows up. August 1st. Put it in your calendar. I better see you all there. August 1st. It's going to be amazing. Maybe I'll do some ridiculous stream.
What about the wheel? What about the wheel?
Yeah, we'll talk about the wheel. You show up and we'll talk about it. You understand me? You all better be here. 3 years we've been doing this every single day. All right, let's see what we got. Now, don't forget, every day before the market opens, when you're looking at your charts, there are 4 things you need to chart. 4. Not 4D. 4. Pre-market high, pre-market low. Previous day high, previous day low. If you have our trading view indicators with our VIP, comes with VIP, futures, or crypto, or of course, diamond membership, you get our trading view indicators. They're already there. It's already there. We don't need to chart all that. It's built right into our trading view indicators 3.0 from American Dream Trading. Meta over on YouTube says, without a super chat, Matt, I see you. Throw that super chat up there. Trying to reach a goal, for crying out loud. It's lunch money. It's $5. Shoot, that's cheaper than what it costs you McDonald's now. That's like $47. Says, I have a question about charting. We chart before every session, pre-market and previous day highs and lows. For how long should we keep them? Till the next day. There you go. I reset every day. If it's a gold level, I see it hit, like all over the place, I'll leave it. I'll leave it in gold. Otherwise, I'm recharting it for the day. If you see anything major, right, go back to a 1 hour, go back to a 4 hour, right? Do you see anything major? Is there anything you can trade off of it? Use it, right? Otherwise, every day, I'm just resetting it, right? I don't need all that in my life. Let me show you SPY Watch. Right here, because actually I need to do it right now. We're going to do it together. Ready? This is, by the way, is how long it should take you. Let's do it off 5 minutes. This is how long, by the way, it should take you to mark your levels. Right? Pre-market high. Why is the button's not working? Pre-market low, which is there's previous day high. And there's previous day. I'll mark it here low. All right, that's it. We're done. That's it. That's it. That's all. Take you less. If my button was working, it'd take me less than 10 seconds to do the whole thing. Okay? That's it. Why is that not working? I got to fix this. Normally, I have a button on my mouse that lets me draw a horizontal line. I don't know why it's not working. I'll have to look at it. 3 minutes to the bell. 3 minutes to the bell. If you are right now, do me a favor. If you can hear me and you're in the stock lounge and you're a free member, say good morning right now. Just because you're on the free side doesn't mean we don't want to see you. I want to see you every day. Come in, say good morning. And let me clue you in on something real quick too, by the way. My ops manager hates it when you guys are quiet and loves to like kick everybody off. I think the last time we had people that were not active and participating, we removed 6,500 of you and kicked you off of our system. You need to be here, you need to be active, and you need to be a part of the community, right? That means saying good morning. That means letting us know you're here and you're ready to change your life. I'm here doing the work. You need to be here too, right? And make sure you guys follow all the rules, by the way. Make sure you have stop losses on each and every trade. If you're a new trader, don't use real money. Paper trading only. Make sure you have your 1 to 3% total loss for the day set up already so you know how many trades that is. Make sure you guys are journaling every day. If you have 2 red trades in a row, stop frickin' trading for 30 days with real money. If you're a new trader, don't trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day. If you're an experienced trader, watch the first 3 minutes and the last 8 minutes of the day. They are the most volatile. Go in with small position sizes, allowing those base hits to run and stop out the losers. If you guys are using any different strategy, don't combine the strategies. Use them separately. Now, sometimes you'll hear with us say advanced 2-minute EWO. That's kind of where we are incorporating day trading and scalping inside of the 2-minute EWO, but otherwise, keep them separated. All right. Okay. Thank you. Got to keep them separated. I know somebody was thinking it. I'm not the only one.
Go there. Yep.
Thank you. I knew I wasn't the only one. Don't leave me hanging. I know you were all right there with it.
I did. I sang it, Coach. I sang it.
Yeah, I knew it. As soon as I said it, I was like, there it is. All right. It's Thursday, July 17th. Everything is being recorded. Moderators that do not have the face cam up yet, I do have to adjust that. I'm going to put a different system in its place for the face cam, so don't freak out. We will get it there. Nobody is allowed to go rogue today. I don't care. Those rules are there for a reason. Let's rock and roll. All right, let's do it. I'm going to be trading this NQ right out of the gate in front of you, watching to see if this is going to break VWAP or not. If you guys are watching, it's SPY over here on VWAP and the 200 is what you're watching for. Let's take a look at my 2-minute EWO indicators. It's like it's jamming all up around in that business. Bounced off the 200. There's the 9. Pulling up to the 21. Being cautious here at the open. Pulled back off the 21. See if that's going to break below the 9. Same thing with SPY. Looking to see if that sits down below that 200. If it does, look for that 623.69 move. Or, here we go. It'd be 624.22, which you can see right here is where it tapped on. See what it wants to do. I'm looking for NQ and SPY to pop all the way back up, but I'm being patient right here, right? Because it came all the way down. It's got a little bit more room to go on my 2-minute EWO, so we're being patient. Notice I'm not in anything. Looking here, see if this can break this level. If this can break down in here, I will hammer this. Sitting on support. See if it can bleed just a little bit more off this level. Still sitting on the 9. Waiting, waiting, waiting. Boy, I got a rough fill on that. It is what it is now. See if this can bleed out through here. Sitting off the 9 and 21 to this spot. Still just sitting here waiting patiently, coming back down. There it goes. There it is. Nice. I'll take half. Take the other half. There it goes. Took a minute. Took a minute to fill. Wow, orders are filling funny. Do you guys see that? What is this? Why does that say I have a working order? Can you guys see on my Weeble? It says I have a working. Yeah, I have a working order. I don't. That is weird, right? All right, here's support right there. Should have a bounce.
I think you hit twice the buy, Coach.
Yeah,
after you sold.
Yeah, look, it disappeared. It's gone now. See it? It just, yeah, I don't know what it's doing. All right, here we go. See if this
That was strange.
Yeah, it was real weird. See if this can flush through. SPY sitting on open a day. Yep, it's got a little more. Trying to see if it's going to break through this level or not. It's dancing.
That's where NVIDIA and Meta. Bye-bye to the downside.
Okay, thank you. I'll just take this. There it goes. Beautiful. See if this has got more. Again, SPY sitting down here at previous day close. 28 cents to go. 28 cents to go. Previous day close. Everybody see it? Went in with a smaller size off of this one to see if it's going to pull back off this area or not. There it goes. See if it's got more. There it goes. Good, good. It's just dancing in this spot. That was me actively putting in a stop right there. If you guys were wondering what that was.
It's not moving. It's flat.
Yep, yep. Don't let me forget today, by the way, and I'll show you guys how to do those trailing stops, okay?
Oh, cool.
Excited, Coach.
There it goes. There she goes. That's nice. Right here, giving this some room to see if this will flush. Beautiful trade right there. Oops. Trying to take it off this bounce. There it is. Kill your mics. Looking for a flush here. Can anybody tell me why I had such a tight stop there? Support. Thank you. Good job. I like the way you're rolling. Like the way you're thinking. But coach, we didn't say anything. I know you knew it. I feel you. Oh, this looks like it wants to flush pretty hard here. I like the spot. Gonna wait though. This is support. The 9 is closing in.
Coach, check out the Russell.
I cannot, but what's it doing?
Straight up. I've been in it, Don.
Thank you.
Just up to the upside.
There you go. That's IWM for everybody else. Is to the upside. Thank you. SPY getting a bit of a pop here now above VWAP. I'm watching it.
Yeah, NVIDIA and Apple is pushing towards the upside.
All right. Thank you. Yeah, I'm looking for a drop here. This is looks like a fake out to me, but we'll give it a minute. We'll see what it wants to do. I'm not touching anything. Just dancing in this level. It's going to take it. I don't like how flat it's sitting. I wanted to see it pull really hard right there. I went in super heavy, by the way. Looking for that flush. But I didn't like the way it was dancing off the 9 and watching SPY trying to climb, right? That could have went 10 grand. I wanted to see it flush right here. Just that 9's pulling in, but that SPY over there, I'm respecting this. But I'm anticipating a pullback, just so everybody knows. That's what I'm watching for. Now would be a good time for me to show you guys how to do a trailing stop. Right here, close, limit, trailing stop. 5 is way too small. Let's go 10, place. 10 might be too small. It is. Wow, okay, what do I got to do on that? I'll have to look. Looks like it's 21. That'll have to be my trailing stop. I'm using the average true range on that off my 1 minute, by the way. If I combine my 1 and my 2 minute, yeah. Need to be about 20 ticks. Oh, look at SPY. Popping off VWAP to the upside. NASDAQ is not following yet. SPY is above VWAP. Great spot up there. Beautiful gap to fill now on SPY. Huge gap to fill on SPY. Everybody see it?
Yes, coach.
Up to that pre-market high, right?
That is correct.
Thanks, boss.
Oh, look at this. Nice. Nice, nice. Little dab will do ya. What? I should be up way more than that. I'm only up 1,000. I thought I was up 2. Whatever. All right. Beautiful gap up here. Nice, nice. I don't know why that's saying not connecting over there.
Coach, you're so good at flipping the switch, man. Flipping the script, because you know what, you were saying down, but you have no problem with it.
Oh, yeah, not at all, right? Trade the trades. Trade whatever it shows me, right?
You're just so good at it. I appreciate watching you.
Yep, thank you, man. I appreciate that. There's SPY all the way back up to your gap fill. Double top area right here on SPY, gang. This is your jam. SPY. Double top. Watching to see if NASDAQ's going to do the same. I do not have a double top on NASDAQ at all. You guys have a beautiful... Oh, I do. It's coming up right here. Good thing I marked that earlier today. You guys see this up here? Right here. I marked this earlier this morning. See it? So I still got some room to go over here.
Russell is doing really good to the outside.
Good, good. See if this still has more to go.
Amazon's making a move up.
Thank you. I've got my stop in place. This
Microsoft new high.
Oh, it just stopped me out. I was going to say, I've got my stop in place. There's that double top SPY pullback right here. Everybody see it?
Yep.
Has it got more?
Yes, coach.
Is it going to tank? Is it going to stay up or is that thing going to tank? Ooh, big pop. Yeah, see, my stop was too tight over here on this. because this still have more to go. Today's high. Okay, watching this level. We'll give it a minute. Be patient. Being patient right here. Apple 2-minute EWO still to the downside.
Tesla new low.
Yep, Tesla 320 right now. It's got a little more up to that area.
Amazon first screen at a double top.
Thank you. See if this is going to stay in the clouds or if it's going to rip. Pop or drop. Big moment, right? Come on, get up there. Guys, still got more. I still got room up here. SPY is touching the ceiling. I've got a little bit more on mine. Come on, pop and just drive and go. Let me get the stop in and go. Come on, get up there. Look how close this is. Look at this. It's a squeaker. Come on, get up there. Push. Push and pop. This is me still manually holding this while I have the physical stop. Everybody see this? I'm waiting for it to push so I can put the stop above what I paid for a green trade and let it run, right? Otherwise, my stop is down here where it will trigger if it drops hard on me. That's me protecting a knife drop. Make sense? Okay, good. Glad we're all on the same page. I have my hand on the mouse to let go when it gets to where I want it. Otherwise, I've got a built-in stop. It's bleeding. Stay up there. Stay up there. Come on, push. It's a double top pullback. Come on, stay up there. SPY's holding that for support. Do you see how that didn't even come back to the 9 yet? It's a good sign. Come on, push. Come on. Still sitting here. Still waiting. Almost there. Come on, a little more. Little dab will do you. Get up there. Spike and just run. Oh, SPY climbing nice up there. Come on. Need a little more to drive this thing home. I'm still manually holding this mouse button, by the way, in case you guys are wondering. A minute. There she goes. Manually now moving my stop. You guys see it?
Yep.
It's got more to go. Come on, baby, go. I'm getting up to the ceiling. Locking in. Boom, there's 1,000. Did you guys see that trade?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, coach. That's
Yes.
amazing.
Mm-hmm. Look at SPY ripping through, baby. The way it stayed up, nice and clean. Stayed above the 9, broke through the ceiling. You guys got your gap fill. Who made all that money? Remember I told you got gap fill back up to high. Anybody?
Still making money, coach.
Oh, yeah.
Took a very small loss trying to short that double top, but very small loss.
Thank you, Coach. I got it.
Yep, good job. Guys should have caught the gap from VWAP all the way up, right? Good job. Good job. Why is this trade window not up? Hold on. There it goes. All right. All right. NQ still has some room to go. Let me put SPY right here. SPY high 626 right here. What's the next level of resistance on SPY? Anybody?
626.30.
30, thank you. Marking it now. What's after that?
626.50.
Okay, those are really tight. So we'll just say 50.
Yeah.
Anything above?
We're going to get into the 627 after that.
All right, thank you.
Yeah. And then 628 is all-time high.
All right, thank you.
$627.62, Coach.
627.62, did you say?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Marking it now. If you guys are wrong, I'm driving to your house. I'm monster trucking over your shit, and I'm eating all your steaks. Thank you.
Hope you like this.
All right. Appreciate you.
You'd be pretty full. I have a lot of steak.
Oh, I like it.
But I'm going to tell you, 628 is going to be everything on SPY.
All right, thank you. We'll watch for that when we get up there. Ooh, NQ, I'm coming up on a double top and 2-minute EWO starting to get really close. Pre-market high for me is 23,158. I'm marking it 23,150. Oh, I already have it. I put it right there. Boy, you're a genius, coach. 23,158 is my pre-market high on the Qs right here. Double top right here. Give this a little bit of room to work. Come on, a little more. There it is. Free trade. Keep going. There it is. Well, I'll take 200. Come on. It had more. I wanted it to go, right? Get out of my life and then just let it go. Leave it the hell alone. Remember we ran into that yesterday and Dawn, you asked me, why don't you leave it? I was going to. I want to set it up, make sure it's a free trade, let it run forever.
NVIDIA is working on a double top right now. It went from new low to double top.
All right, thank you.
So
SPY is up on the 2-minute EWO upper band up there on that channel. You guys see it?
yeah.
NQ up here all the way on the ceiling. I'm going to look for another opportunity to short the hell out of this. If it pushes through, I'll have my stop loss in place. Oh, I missed it when it tapped up here. What I want to do is I wanted to short it here, have my stop loss up here, so I've got a little bit of room in case a candle pops through, right? You got to have room for that candle. It is up here on the ceiling. Right here. See if this can push back. Oh, man, I got a bad fill, but... Oh, there it goes. Look at that. There's your double top pullback. You like that? Huh?
Yes, Daddy.
You like that?
Great job.
Taking one. Take one more. Let's put in our trailing stop. Set. Uh-oh. Set. Uh-oh. It's not working. Killing the position. Tried to put in a trailing stop to show you guys. I don't know why that didn't take. I have no idea why that didn't take. Nor do I want to be doing that with NQ to try to find out. NQ.
That's not one you're going to learn on,
No,
Coach.
yeah, we don't want to, correct mechanical errors on that. Now, did everybody see what SPY did? I told you that was that upper level, upper limit on that 2-minute EWO channel, right? And look at that beautiful pullback. You could also see it. You could also see it right here where I traded NQ up here at exactly this top. I was then going to put my stop up here. I didn't have to because it immediately pulled. This was the move, right? Right back to my 9. Does it mean it's going to go all day double top to the bottom? No, but you guys see how I was able to take advantage of the double top pullback, yes?
Yes.
Was that a market order?
Yep, we got it.
Oh, awesome. Yeah, no, yes, it was a market order. Yep.
Oh, okay.
That's all I do when I'm quick scalping like this.
Yeah, well, the Thinkorswim only lets you do trailing stops on market orders.
Oh, I got you. Yeah, the nice thing with Thinkorswim, I think you can enter it at the time of purchase, right? You don't have to wait till after.
Yep, right.
Yeah,
Purchase.
where Weeble, you got to do it after. They don't let you do both at the same time.
Yeah, no, they let you do it at purchase.
Yep. Which is great because then you're safe right out of the gate. Still up here on the double top, we can see our 9 is pushing up.
Is NQ more weighted on tech stuff?
NQ is NASDAQ.
Right.
S&P is all weighted on tech. The top 8 is all tech, right?
Yeah.
The only reason I'm trading NQ is because it moves really fast. Right? That's what I like about it. I do not ever recommend anybody ever trading NQ, by the way, even when you're good. Just, you better be the best of the best. It'll rip your face off. Nice job. One of my members just posted. He's up $35,000 so far this morning. Nice job. By the way, congratulations. One of our members yesterday, I don't know if you guys saw this or not because I don't think we were live. One of our members made $11 million yesterday in a single day trading session. That is a record here at American Dream Trading. Our highest before that for a single trade was from Brady, $5.6 million in a single trading day. This person wanted me to not say who it was. You guys probably got a good idea. $11 million was traded yesterday. Don't say any names. So congratulations. That's our biggest trade we've had so far in a single day. That was within 3 hours of the market. 3 hours of the market, he made $11 million. How's that sound?
That was nice.
Was that pesos?
No, that's cash, baby. Real cash. There's that double top pullback again. Look at SPY still bleeding out.
You've changed 30 seconds.
Thank you. Did I say double top? I meant 2-minute EWO upper band regression channel is what we saw it on. You guys
We have
remember?
news 10 as well.
Thank you. You guys remember me telling you up there when SPY hit that ceiling? I told you, right?
Yep.
Okay, good. 5 seconds. Yes. And we're going to have news. Data's going to move the market in 2 seconds. 1, 0. Watch for bananas in the market. Actually, I'm going to use a limit. Last price. 3. 20 ticks. Total risk, $300. Look at that. You guys see how I have that set up? Everything so far has been positive that's been being posted. So I'm actually looking for this on the long side. Everything it seems like we've been posting has just been nothing but positive for the stock market. Like everything. There it goes. A minute. I've got a 20 tick stop loss. Risk is $30. There it goes. Or I'm sorry, risk is $300. Move my stop. I made a couple bucks, nothing major. I was looking for a big, run. 5 is 500. Stop. There it goes. Like I said, stop. What are you doing? I'm over here missing the freaking trade over that. Shut up. Look at this. Was I right on that call or what?
You called that, coach, straight up.
Yep. Look at this. Wow. I'll take 1,000. If I get this TikTok crap to shut the hell up over here. You hear it freaking out?
Give it the hen.
It's like, shut the hell up. That thing costed me $1,000, right? Not being able to get into a trade because I'm clicking the stupid shut the hell up button. How's that for a run? Did anybody make any money on that move?
I did, coach.
Thank you.
I did too, coach.
Thank you. Nice job. Good job. Good job. All right. SPY back up here on the double top 626.20. There must have been good news. Anybody have it? No, let me look for it.
Coach, I looked at it and it just looks flat. Like all of the things it was talking about.
Really? Well,
flat.
that's good for the market, though. Remember, nothing unexpected. Yeah, no news is good news for the market, just so you know.
They're just saying economy's holding up.
As we
Data shows economy holding up.
Yep,
That's
inflation.
about it.
Yep, inflation getting under control, right? All the usual. I already told you guys, I told you guys months ago, if we can get those interest rates lowered, this economy would boom so fast, your head would spin. Didn't I say that? I've been saying it every day, right?
Yes, you have.
Yeah.
You have.
I have like 4 buyers in real estate right now that they're just waiting.
Oh yeah,
for a
I'm
quarter
telling you,
to
even
come
a
down.
half a point, the market will
Yep.
just boom. It'll be all new
They'll
highs.
jump in.
Yeah, people will spend and be buying cars and houses, and I mean, it will. The fact that we're still sitting here because they don't know with the tariffs, I can't take it. Get out of the way. If you don't understand basic economics, frickin' move, right? Beat it. The fact that it is all working and doing what it's supposed to, right, should have been a clear indicator of, hey, we need to make a change. Am I right? Not talk about, we'll revisit it in 2026. Jackasses. Did I say that out loud? Stupid.
Yeah, you did.
I can't stand it. I cannot stand ignorance.
Now, if they lower rates, would it initiate irrational exuberance?
It would. Everybody will go buy everything up. I'm telling you right now, everybody's sitting. Think about a house. House prices have stayed high.
Yep.
Interest rates are high. If you lower it at all, get us back into those, even in the sixes.
That's right. 6% and people will jump.
Oh, all over. All
All
over. This
over.
economy will go just boom, like immediately skyrocket. All right, here we go. Speaking of skyrocket, I need to take advantage of this. Hopefully that stop's not too tight. That looks way too... I swear. What are you doing? Shut the hell up. What is... Yeah, that stop's too tight. What is this at? Gosh, 20 ticks is too tight? Holy crap. Spy. Oh, Spy's up here in the upper channel. All right, I need to pay attention. Enough chit-chatty. Yay, who gives a shit? Lower it or not, I don't give a shit. I'm still going to make millions. Do whatever you want. Do whatever you want, right? We'll trade whatever you want to do. Goofballs. Spy, right at the upper channel again. Same thing. Big upper channel. Look at that Spy pullback. Is that glorious? Same thing. I'm up here on a huge 2-minute EWO upper channel. Come on, looking for the wheels to fall off. Come on. You got more. Let's go smaller. Short it. Smaller, short the crap out of this thing. Let's go. Put your stop right here. Get rid of this bullshit take profit garbage that the kiddies use because that's dog shit. Come on. $440 risk. Stop me out. It's looking for a nice pull off of this spot, but didn't do it. Got my stop in. That's how you handle it, right? Handle your business. Now, if this stays above this 9, I'm going to go long because that means it respected it. You see the difference? A minute.
Tesla first green.
Thank you. I got to give this a little bit more room. It's a little bit more risk at the open, but that's only because I'm in larger. But I've got to let this thing work. If it's respecting the 9, let it run, right? It's just with what I'm trading is these wicks can be, there it goes. These wicks can be so ridiculous, right? It's like freeing all over the place. There she goes. Yes. Get it. You see what I mean? Look at what it did when it got up there. It just went ring, right? Made 500 on the trade. But do you see how ridiculously squirrely it gets? Still respecting the 9. Still beautiful to the upside. Same with SPY. Staying up nice and tall here. In fact, I'm going to flip this to ES. NQ is getting, it's too squirrely. ES is like putting your training wheels back on for me. Look at it. It's like nice and slow. Look at it. Look at the difference. Can you guys see the difference in the candle? Yeah. This is.
Oh, so did you show the trailing on this yet, or no?
I did.
Did I miss it?
Yeah. I'll do it right now. Actually, I'll do it right now because this is a much smaller scale. This is.
You're
like,
awesome.
Yeah. This is like baby steps. Hold on. Let me flip this. ES.
This is brand new, baby. Brand new stuff.
Yep. All right, here we go. Let's see. Buy market 1 right here. If I click close, change my type, trailing stop, how many ticks I want it to be, and then say place order. There it is. That is a 6-tick trailing stop right there. See it?
I think I'm looking at my phone. Was that a classic trade, coach? You had to change it over?
Well, after I place my order, I go here to close in the actual positions. And then I change the order type to trailing stop. And then I can tell it how many of these ticks I want it to be. See it here?
Thank you, coach. Thank you.
Yep. And I put in a 6. So what you guys will see is, watch this right here. As this moves up, this will follow it. Okay. Now think about it. This has to move up 6 ticks before I'm at break even also, right? So that's kind of the bad part of it. Now look at how that saved me. But it has to move up 6 ticks above what I paid to get me to break even. So what I recommend, just like with your options and your stocks, is what I recommend is using your hard stop, okay? Let it get above what you paid, then throw in that trailing stop, because then we can manipulate it a little bit more before we get there. Oh, this is going to be a drop. Hold on. I don't know if I was able to catch that while I was talking. We'll see. Yeah, I'm up here on the ceiling. That's why I hammered that. Okay, so 10 is moving. Yeah, that makes sense. 10 is 250 a tick. Okay, we're good. Breaks above the 9. I got to bail out on this trade. Take the L and flip the script. It didn't have any more. It's looking for a pullback. It started to get below this 21. I'll show you guys why I should have waited literally one more second in a second. Just give me 1 sec here. But I'll show you why I should have waited literally one more tick. I'm just seeing if this is going to hold this 9 or not. If it does, I'm out. Put in the hard stop here. All right, let me show you why. Right here. You see this wick? I should have had this close out below this for the short. Everybody see it on my screen? That's where I should have waited. Make sense? Okay, good. Yeah, I just got stopped out on that one. If this stays now, if this respects this 9 up here, I'm going to long this. How many can I do? 15? Think so. Yeah, that looks right. Yep. Yeah, if this is going to respect the 9 up here, then I'll long it. I got to watch this, though. I should have marked this. Got to pay more attention to my trades. This is the problem with training inside of trading, right? Doesn't get my full attention. Watching this area. Let this work. We're up on the top. We got room to go. Not a ton, but we got a little bit of space up there. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in a hard mechanical stop in case of a knife drop, right? The only thing I'm doing with that is in the event of a mechanical, or in the event of, news catalyst, something weird, bleeder out, right? I'd rather have something than nothing. Because remember, I learned my lesson on that yesterday when I went in to use the bathroom, right? So we're not going to do that today. You see? Even the coach can learn. Not going to do it, right? All right, this has to respect this 21. If it doesn't, I don't want nothing to do with this trade. And then I'll just wait for a better setup across the board. Yeah, this is starting to get a little mushed up. See it here? There's the 21. It's got to hold, otherwise, right? Otherwise, it's no business to be long. But does everybody see all this junk?
Yes.
So if I were all of you, I would wait for either the move here or the move here. Right? This
Got
is
it, Chief.
Yep, this is your long and this is your short. Everybody see it?
Yes, sir.
So let me mark this out. Right here. Right here. That's it. Long here. Short here. Yeah, see how this is now below the 21? So if this breaks this level here, I can short it, but not until then. And there's not a ton of room here to VWAP, but I see it. All right, right here. Are we coming down off of this level? Getting a little taste right here. See if it does.
See him on.
I'm going to put my stop in here just above this 9 to protect. There we go. Come on, keep coming. A little more. Come on. I need a little more because I don't want it to keep playing around this area, right? Damn it. Spy's down there on VWAP. That sucks. You see it? So this didn't have a ton of space. I'll lock it in. There it goes. That's better. Look at that. Look at that. Keep going. Has it got more? Notice I'm still allowing this to work, right? So this is a catch-22 off of this trade. Because if this comes back up, I'm basically only going to make a couple bucks. But if I leave it and it does what I want it to do here, which is to pull off this. This is going to turn into thousands of dollars, right? Move my stop. Make sure I get at least 500-ish out of it. Come on, keep going. Yes. There's 2,000. Now I'll move my stop. Beautiful. Look at that. Now I'll move it above this wick. Now it's 2,600. There she goes. Yes. That's a $3,000 trade right there. See it? Take it. Now, did you guys see what I did at the beginning of that trade? My risk was nothing. I would have made, $200. That's where my stop was. But did you see by allowing me to let it run? And I knew when I got to VWAP, by the way, that's why I moved the stop tight right here. If you look at SPY, that's VWAP bounce. So what I did is I let it work that whole way. So I went from a $200 move to $3,000 just by leaving it alone. Did that make sense?
Yep, for sure.
What kind of fill did that get? What the heck? Let me see. What did that do? I don't know what that did, but it sure didn't collect 3,000 off that, but okay. That was weird. But anyways, you guys saw it all in real time. But do you see what I mean, though, about letting the runners run? Leave them alone. Let them go. Let them work.
Yes, it can be nerve-wracking, but that's what you got to do.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Right. And it'd be like, oh, well, I'm just going to break even and break even and break even and break even. But then it's going to be, right?
Right.
That's why I always try to protect my trades, though, because I'd rather a trade.
Risk management,
Yeah. I'd rather a trade be break even 10 times and then the run, right? Instead of trying to make $15, but I'm losing while I'm doing it. I'd rather always try to protect the trade. Once it gets into something really good, let it go. Now, I knew VWAP was right here, so I was already anticipating a bounce. So I'm not going to give it a ton of space off of that. If we were below VWAP, though, oh my gosh, I'd have let that just go, right? Just like here, this breaks, like it's trying. I'm going to do it again. Got to watch this right there. And this is going to be right there. $63.10. This is my VWAP. SPY's already below it. You guys see it? I don't know if I'm going to see if I can get a little bit of this one left. Yep. $700. You guys see how fast that is? That's $750. Click, 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 right? I'm waiting right here. This is beautiful. Look at SPY below VWAP. You guys now have a gap down to the 200. Well, you're going to start getting gummed up right here, but 625.
Printing, Coach. Thank you for your voice.
Absolutely. 625 gap down on SPY. Everybody see it? Break 625. You're looking for the 200. 624.74. Good job, Bob. I don't know if this has any more. I wanted to short this right here, but on mine, I'm right on VWAP, so I can't do it. Oh, those of you that, let me show you this too. Those of you that are newer in here trading, go with these micros. Says I can buy 200 of these. Look, if you come in here, right, start with 1. But coach, I don't care. Training wheels, right? I want to show you guys this. So right here, I'm going to buy off this bounce, put in my stop. There's a $15 risk right there. Let it work. Now remember, we're going to do all the same things we always do, right? This pulls below, we're going to trade it. But look at the difference. $15 is my risk off this trade. See it? 15 bucks. Trade the trade just like you would if this was, moving 1,000. Because guess what? 10 MES is 1 ES. So 10 of these micros is 1 mini contract. So if you see me do 10, I'm doing 100 of these, right? I just don't have to pay all the fees. By the way, you pay more fees out of the gate. Yeah, this is $3 each way, which means, it's $1.50 each way. So I have to make at least $3 to break even on a micro trade. Make sense? But trade it the same. Trade it the same, right? Just like this. Okay, I'm going to move my stop a little bit, protect my trade just a little bit more. Okay, if this gets above what I paid, I move my stop. Don't I do that just like $1,000 trade?
Same technique.
It's the same. I'm not messing around. There's nothing different here. Here it comes. Boom. I've just protected my trade. Guess what? Free trade forever. There it goes. Let it run. Let the runner run. If this pops this 9, I'll move it up. Now I'm going to move it up because I want to protect. Remember, it costed me $3 to enter. I am now guaranteed no matter what to make money off this trade. You're like, yeah, but coach, your stop's too tight. I don't care. I always and forever trade the same, regardless of $10 or $10,000. This could be $1 million trade. I would do the same exact thing. But do you see how now I can start to use my mechanics? Oh, trailing stop. Now we're at a spot to do a trailing stop. Let's do one now. Close. Limit. 5. We'll do 6. Placed. Now, this is what I was saying. Once it's gotten so far above what you paid, now if I put in a trailing stop, I'm covered. Do you see how my trailing stop is above what I paid?
Beautiful, coach. Beautiful for futures.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now look at, as this goes up, my trailing stop goes up. See it?
Yeah, it follows it. Cool.
Yep. And if it pulls back farther than 6 ticks, like it did, boom, I'm out. Trade done. I made $8. Minus the $3 in fees, I just made $5. But if this was 10 contracts or 1 MES, I just made 500. Do you see the diff? Or 50, I'm sorry. That would have been a $50 trade. If I did 10, that's a $500 trade. Do you see? There's no difference. There's no difference in how we trade. Start with the babies and move up to the big table, right? By the way, Mark did these micros for months off of his $7 account. Months. 1 to 3 micros. 1 to 3 micros. Let me show you how much faster 3 moves. Let me see where we're at. We're still respecting the 9 to the downside. I'll take it. I'm going to put in my stop above where it last hit. $37.50 risk out of the gate. Notice my risk went up. Well, yeah, you're putting in more. So if your risk tolerance or your account size cannot support that, you don't get to make this trade, right? Okay, good. I've got my risk. Yep, I've got my risk in. No matter what, I'm not dinking around with this thing. Stops me out, I reset. Boom, I'm out. 37 bucks. No difference. No difference.
Coach.
Yep, no difference. You understand? There's no difference. And then I step over here to doing what we were doing before, right? ES 10. So this is going to be 100 of what we were just doing. This is 100 of what we were just trading. Ready? So if this respects this 9, I'll long it. Now this is 100 of those. And again, if you're not ready, don't do it. When and only when you're ready, do it. Waiting right here. See if we're going to get a move. Everything in me wants to long it, but I can't yet. This is not giving me a clear enough picture yet. This is still at the point where this can yank. I want clearance. I want momentum. We're all momentum traders. I want to see it moving. Right? So again, I don't trade any different. I'm looking for a good setup. Waiting for my move. This is starting to get up here, right? It's where I'm starting to like it. And let me check everything. Why is this not updating? Hold on. Sorry, my 2-minute EWO chart's not updating. I'm not making a move without seeing it just because I want big picture. Yeah, we're all right. Previous day close.
On that little mini double top, isn't it, Coach?
Yeah, and I've got this area marked, right? I had this before where it pulled back. This is why this is my caution, right? You see how I have it on my screen? I've got one here and one here. See it? So if I ran into these, that tells me, hey, buddy. And that was right here. There it is. Look, that was a pre-market high. See it? So that's resistance. Now, notice if I would not have had that, I wouldn't have known, right? I just blindly, it's going up right there. It's a nope. Being patient. Starting to get up here. I like it more. I'll take it. Now this is 10. Remember 100 of those? Look at the difference. Look at every tick now. That's $125 every time this blinks. See it? That's 10. That's 375 bucks. You see the difference? Oh, this is nice now. It's a beautiful spot. See if it's got a little more. Broke even. Watching this area. This is where I had marked before. VJ, you got your hand up, go.
What does it actually cost you to get into one of these contracts? It's not actually $6,000, is it? Like
no.
against your cash account?
No, it's every one of these margin requirement is 1,100, 1,173 for each one of these is how much I have to have.
And since it's futures, you get to use it again after you're done.
Correct, immediately. Yeah, there's no settlement.
Nice.
Head on over to the futures right now. Mark's going to be training and educating all of you. Get over there. Bye. See you over there. Get that diamond. Oh, by the way, I think I'm going to kill the diamond membership tomorrow. Last chance. Okay, good deal. Thanks. I'm not going to yell it from the rooftops. I don't give a shit. You guys have had plenty of chances to get it. That's it. Friday, tomorrow, done. All
Hey,
right.
Coach.
Yep.
Just that was brilliant, and I just want to thank you again for teaching everything we've learned in Apple Chat and everything else. I've moved over to futures, and I'm doing exactly what you're saying. I go in small on MNQ, and I've been buying two and just getting good and good and good and better at it, and just following your rules. And there is no decay. That is the best thing. You're just looking for price movement.
That's
It's been phenomenal.
Yeah, no gamma, no delta, no theta, right? No.
You can sit in it, and then you can switch to a 5 minute, and you can sit there and just be
Forever.
patient and watch.
Yep.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Forever.
So thanks so much. It's just everything you learned from the ground up, and you get that diamond, and then it's over, dude.
Yep.
Just make some money and quit that job.
I agree. Thank you so much. I appreciate that.
I think futures is probably one of the best additions we've done to
Yeah.
ADT.
It is awesome. The diamond is just unbelievable. Thank you, Coach. Love you.
Thank you, man. I appreciate that. If you guys, again, are interested in the diamond membership, that's everything I have, right? All of my membership services, including the mentorship, which is $6,000 a year, by the way. 5,000 right now. Tomorrow's your last chance.
Coach, I have a question.
Yep, go ahead.
I'm on toss, and they won't let me do futures unless I have a margin account.
That's correct. Yep, because it is a margin. Yep.
Yeah, so that's
That is correct. Yep, you do. It is using margin when you buy it. That is correct.
The margin minimum is different. I don't know about toss, but it is for Weevil, right?
Yeah, it's only what you need to buy it. They just consider it built in with a margin. Yep. Yeah, if you guys look at it, it's like 60 or 70% of what it is. By the way, remember yesterday when I was in a trade and it went against me, I didn't have a stop, but it just automatically sold. That's because my account total, right? It was that 60 to 70% buffer with the margin. It freaks out, right? If you're in too heavy, it's like, no, you got to get out, right? Go over the futures. You guys can ask a million futures questions. Enjoy it. Love it. Get the diamond. Who's getting the diamond membership? Come on. We'll sell 5 right now. Tell you what, I'll make a deal with you. If we don't sell one today, I'm going to shut the doors right now. How's that? Because I'm actually sick of the diamond out there for that price. I absolutely hate it. And between Bruno and I'm always complaining about it. I don't want it out there anymore. So I tell you what, I'm going to do you a favor. In 15 minutes, if I don't sell a diamond lifetime membership, I'm shutting that shit down. Deal? Okay, good, because I am sick of it. It's stupid. I've lost, I think, $3.5 million so far from that. So I'm done. We're good. Take it or don't. Sit on your ass and don't get it. Please don't get it. Please don't buy the Diamond Lifetime membership. You guys ever heard that for a sales speech? You ever heard that before? Please don't buy my product.
Worst businessman ever.
Right? Ever. Oh, look at this poll. Oh, look at that. Hold on.
Yeah, I have to say that's the first, Coach.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I'm sick of it. I lose money literally every time somebody buys it. I'm not kidding. Oh, look at this. That's nice. Come on, you got a little more, right? I see it. Nope. You sucker. You stink. I see you. I thought you had a little more right to here. When in doubt, go smaller. Who tells you that every damn day, right? Go in small. Let the runners run. Who tells you that every day? Thank you. Now look at that. You see that? Much less risk, higher reward, much easier trade. Not freaking out. You see the difference? Even on such a lower risk trade, I still made more money than the last trade I did with the higher risk. Did you see it? I know.
Got a question for you, Coach.
Yeah, go ahead.
So I'm looking at SPY and then MES, and it looks like the candles are coming down to VWAP on MES, but not on SPY. How do you play that in your mind?
I just, you should use the chart that's in front of you, which is if you're trading ES, use ES, right?
Okay.
Yeah. I'm just so used to SPY being here that I'm watching it, but if you're trading ES, only look at ES, right?
Gotcha.
Yep.
Thanks, sir.
You got it. All right, moderators, watch this. Are we going to sell a diamond right now or not? Does anybody want a diamond? If I don't sell one right now in the next 10 seconds, I'm shutting the shit down. Moderators, kill this shit. I don't want to fucking hear diamond. I don't give two shits about it. Congratulations to the 230 people that got a deal. I want it the F out of my life forever. Thank you. Anybody going to take advantage of it right now? Last chance. Because I am sick of it. The more I talk about it, the more I'm sick of it.
You've been more than generous with it, Coach.
I ran it for months. Literally, it was supposed to be a one and done. I ran it for months. Then I said, okay, we'll do 100. And then everybody, well, Coach, can I? Got to 200, and I'm still running. I'm like, why are we still running this stupid thing?
Yes, you've been more than generous.
It is a great deal, Coach. I've been trying to muster up some cash to get it. I can't. I'm even contemplating closing down part of my
No, Papa Don,
brokerage
open
account.
up a ticket. I'm literally holding two people. I've got Esteban
'cause I want it, Coach.
and Christina and JP. I'm holding a couple. Open a ticket. Say I want one. I got a couple people that give a shit. I give a shit, right? So open a ticket. Say hey.
Okay.
Coach said he loves my face and he hates the diamond membership, but he's going to hold one for me because I'm a freaking rock star. You just put that in the ticket.
All right.
Please, Papa Dot, tell him you have the iLag coffee cup.
Yeah,
Put that in the ticket.
That's awesome. Derek, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
Hey, Coach. I had a question about double tops. Are you more of a fan of getting in a little bit early as opposed to waiting for a little, like a sign of weakness and then jumping in?
Yep, always. Yep, absolutely. The beauty of the double top is, right, go in smaller in case it goes against. I always get in early, but by going in smaller, I can have that looser area to work with. Because remember, a double top, we don't know exactly what the double top is. Right? We have an idea of where it is, but it could candle up and come back up and around it, and then it can sit there and consolidate for a long time and then knife drop. So we got to have that room, that buffer. So you always get in early, larger, right, with our stop loss up there. That's why we're smaller position. And then we'll get the knife drop and massive payoff. Make sense?
Yep. There's a few times where I've been practicing and I waited too long. I had my entry a little bit too high.
Yeah.
And I missed it. So I've been playing with that.
Yeah, I always, SPY is 20 to 40 cents, right? So think about it. If the double top is 625.50, I'm already looking at it at 625.20, right? Or 625.10. I'm already in there looking at it. Am I going to do this in this spot right here or not, right? Like before we get there, we're already setting up. You could even do a starter, one, add in one or two. Hey, it's consolidating. That's a good sign, right? That means, hey, there is troubled waters here, right? There's things we can do in that area, but always before, right? Looser stop because you got to give it that room, and then you'll have a huge payoff. So instead of super, you don't want to load the boat up there, even though, percentage-wise, yeah, it's great and it pulls and all the stuff, but you never want to load the boat anywhere. Let's just be honest. Not when you've got to give it room. Now, I can go larger on a quick scalp because I'm in and out. It can be under a second, in, out, in, out. I don't want to do that when I've got to let it work, right? I got to let it work. I don't want large because otherwise it can go against me large. Make sense, everybody in the room?
Yes, sir.
Yep, there you go.
Yes, sir.
Really does.
Yep, thank you. Red says, I joined other groups, and why not have 2 weeks or 30 days if you can make money? Here, I'll tell you why. Number one, you guys are going to love this. Hold on. And thank you, by the way, for speaking up, Red, over in our stock lounge. Number one, if that plan worked, why are you here? Proof's in the pudding. So number one, you just told me the exact reason why that's bullshit, doesn't work, and why those other places are dog shit, right? Am I right, everybody in the room? The question was, I've joined other groups. Why not have a 2 week or 30-day, probably meaning free, if you can make money, question mark. Would this person be in my room if they have been getting those free training to make money? Would they be here?
No.
You're
100% correct, Coach. The success with the others.
You wouldn't be here asking these bullshit questions, right?
Right? Get a brain.
Right? I'm just saying, right? I'm not being mean. I'm not picking on you. But if it was great, right? But number two, more importantly,
I'll pick on you, dumbasses.
No, listen. Number two,
Hey, Coach.
listen. More
Sorry,
importantly,
interrupt.
one second. More importantly, should you be using real money to make money in 2 weeks to 30 days?
No.
Hell no. So what would that do for you if I gave you 30 days? What would that do for you? You're not supposed to be trying to make money, right? So I don't ever want to hear like, oh, well, if I make enough money, you're not supposed to be using real money, right? No. Stop that right now. Everybody, you get the memberships so you learn, then later you can then use the real money. You guys are doing this backward. You don't get into this like, well, I'm going to make enough money right now to buy my diamond. No, you're not. You're going to lose all your money, every freaking penny you're going to lose. Then you're going to quit. And you're going to put in some stupid ass cancellation reason like, well, I wasn't making enough money. You're not supposed to make money when you come in to train. You're not supposed to make a penny when you come in to train, right? We'll see that. I see that all the time, the cancellation reason. I've been in here for 2 months and I wasn't able to make enough to pay for the membership. Run into a wall. Take your face, run as fast as you can into a fucking brick wall. You're not supposed to be trying to make money in those 2 months. What do you mean you're not making enough? You're supposed to be training. Run into the wall. We'll all wait. Go on.
Coach?
Yeah, go ahead. Sorry.
I owe you an apology. That's my fault. I had a question just out of personal curiosity that I posted in the stock lounge.
Got you.
And I've just been chatting with the free members.
Yep, absolutely. No worries. I appreciate you. Thank you for being
That-
here.
That's where those questions are coming from.
Yeah, no, I want the questions. I absolutely want the questions. By the way, Red, I just verified you. Your account was not verified. I just verified you because I see you if you're talking. Moderators, if you see them, never mind. That one's real. Okay. Look at it. Go Real. Listen, this is the bullshit we're dealing with that's out there, by the way. Go Real just said, I put money in another group training session and signed up for their training, deposited money into another brokerage account and lost money. Well, no shit. Yeah, I know. That's what we're trying to help you to avoid. I'm the only one out there saying it, by the way. Hell, even my competitors like, oh, I think you should use real money. Have some skin in the game. Fuck that. That's dumbass bullshit, little kid crap talking to you. You don't need skin in the game. That's fucking
I was gonna add
stupid.
in, Coach, if you just challenge people, hey, listen, you freebies, I challenge you to listen to your freebies on YouTube for 1 weekend, and they're coming in and buying, period.
Yeah, for sure.
They're coming in and buying for 1 weekend on a YouTube. Go ahead, do all your free you want.
Yeah, it's crazy, right? I shouldn't be in here. I'm not trying to like hard sell you guys. I'm just telling you the way it is. I don't sugarcoat it. I'm not here to get your money. I mean, obviously, I get paid to do what I'm doing. But I'm telling you right now, right? I'm going to give it to you straight. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not trying to make a buck off of you. People will pay me regardless if you do it or not. Some people that will see the value of what we're doing. I'll get that money one way or the other. Don't you worry. There's enough people that see value in what we're doing. right? So if you guys are the ones that are just like, oh, I don't know, that's fine, right? I'm not trying to hard sell you anything. I promise you I'm not. I'm trying to help you. Hold on, this is moving beautiful up here in this new channel. Oh, this is a nice setup. Hopefully I didn't miss this while I'm over here. Again, I'm over here trying to save your freaking lives. Come on, get up there so I can take this and talk. Today, Junior. I do like the way I love the way it's sitting up here, though. I really like the way this is sitting up here. Like it up here. I'm at 5. I'll take half, only because they're stalling. I love this spot. If we can get out of right here where I'm looking at the 625, technically 626, but I love that it's staying tall, gang. Love it. I added back in. I like it up here. See if we can stay.
Coach, on the 2 minute, it looks like there's only half the buyers there were at this time yesterday.
Thank you. Ready to flatten it if it goes short, but I love how it's staying up here. We're clearly above the 9. We got a nice, beautiful gap back up to the 626. What I got? 5 and 5. Okay, I have to remember that. 5 and 5, and I'm in a buy, which means I got to sell. Respecting this 9. I'm going to put a hard stop here just so I can keep talking, but I really like this setup. Let's see if this can sit. Again, this breaks above. I'll move my stop to protect the trade, and then I'm going to let this baby go.
$6.26. Is that what you're looking at?
Yeah, 626. Yep, is where I'm looking. I know it's not a ton of move, but that's enough for me to make, $500 to $1,000. Otherwise, risk right here is 1,300. So I've got my risk is built in. Do you see? I always know how much I'm risking to also know, right, what my potential is. Like risk to reward. Don't we talk about that every day? Just like here.
Absolutely.
It's like right here. I could actually add off this 9 because I love the way it's staying tall. Could add 5 right here. We'll let it work. But anyways, take advantage of the sales and the opportunities that we have, right? Nobody's doing what we're doing. Hell, we had a member yesterday make $11 million, right? Give me any other community where people, and that's not the only one. I got people making $1 million in a day. We've had another one make 5.6 million. I've had another make 2, another make 3. Now we're at 11 million in a single day. Single trading session, one day.
And there's no other community out there doing that.
There's nobody.
Nobody doing that.
There's literally nobody doing that. Nobody.
And you know what's more important? Not only do you teach us how to make the money, you teach us how to protect it. Every day, you're always showing us how to use stops, how much we should allow ourselves to lose, the whole 9 yards. Because even if you're making it, it doesn't mean a hill of beans if you can't keep it.
That's right. Yeah, the risk management's the most important part. Right?
Absolutely.
Yeah. That's why I always tell you guys when you're in training, don't use real money, right? It's so important. I don't want you guys suffering while you're trying to train. You need to concentrate on what I'm teaching you, not you in there trying to make $14 out of the gate. That doesn't do shit. While you're dinking around with that stuff, you're not listening to anything I'm saying at all, or you're at least not able to, I listen every day. You're not able to absorb anything. If you're doing one thing and trying to do another, one of them is going to get lost, right? You're not going to have your full attention on it. I can't. It's crazy. If you guys would just listen to the sound of my voice, you'd be so. We went through this morning. I'm not even going to get in it again, but focus. Follow the
And
animals.
coach,
Yeah, go ahead.
for those that are hearing coach but not listening, there's a difference. If you're not listening when you run into that brick wall, keep your face there and rub it a while.
Oh yeah, keep it there for a while, right?
It's just gotta learn through pain.
Listen, what it reminds me of is when we used to be at church camp. Bear with me, you'll like this, right? We were camp counselors, right? I've always done this. You guys know I've always done this kind of stuff, right? Well, we used to have dodgeball. And on both sides of the fence, right? The outbounds, right? One side and then the other, and you can't go over right through the middle, was a chain fence on both sides. We used to call it the cheese grater because there was nothing better as a camp counselor smoking one of these children. You're like, oh, don't hit a kid with it. Listen, we don't get participation ribbons back in the day, okay? You still got cheese grated, and the kids would love it. You smoke a child, and then they hit that chain fence and just drag down it like a damn cheese grater. That's what I want you to do to your own faces if you can't listen. Cheese grate your own face. Thank you.
That's awesome.
Appreciate you. Appreciate you. After a while, they'll be like, all camp counselors, would you please use the opposite strength hand? If you're right-handed, please use the left hand. Thank you.
Did you just say cheese grate your own face?
Absolutely. And then
What
they would
movies are you watching?
And then they would say, all camp counselors, can you please throw that underhand? Thank you. And then it would be, you guys need to knock that off or come see us in the office, please.
Hey, Coach, is that a new merch idea?
Yeah.
Cheese grate your face?
Yeah, I like it. But isn't that funny? We used to do that all the time. And it just so happened that I was also on the board of directors, so they wouldn't be, it wasn't like, Coach, can you knock it off? They'd be like, Coach, can you please take it easy on the children? We don't want any parents upset sending them to the nurses station. Thank you.
That's awesome, Coach.
So the kids truly had nowhere to go.
Oh, yeah, it's just beautiful. It's just beautiful. And they always loved it, too, because if they did get hurt, we're not obviously trying to kill them. But if they did, they get a scrape or a bruise. They go to the nurse's station. They get a popsicle, right? They just love life. And they'd be like, come on, throw it at my face.
So Coach is like, hey, kid, if you don't behave, I'm going to put you in a descending wedge against the fence.
Absolutely. The cheese grater. Oh, my gosh. Just so much fun. Oh, I used to love being a camp counselor. Yeah, go ahead.
Be honest, did Craig used to smoke the kids too?
No, he wouldn't. He's more gentle. It'd be more like do you remember Big Alex?
Yeah.
Yeah. Me and Alex would just literally destroy children. That was our life. Yep. We would literally get in the cages and go to work, baby.
Nice.
Yeah. Yep, it's good for them. Kids liked it.
Coach, I thought your threats to come slap our children was just a threat, but I guess not, huh?
No. It was legit. Now, you know what I'm talking about because you went to that camp.
Yeah, I did.
Michigan Christian Youth Camp, by the way, is what it was called.
I picture you like Elf with the snowballs.
Oh, it was for sure. But you know what? It was fun. The kids loved it. I mean, that was, here we go. Now you guys see this? We're finally making a move. Oh my gosh, this thing's got to get going. What is this wait? What is this doing? This is way too long for this to have made a move, right?
Yeah, I'm trying to sleep watching it.
Oh my gosh, this is the longest ever. This is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 10 candles in a row in this space.
It's stalling. It doesn't know what to do.
That's why I moved my stop real tight, by the way, right? I'm like, okay, you obviously don't want to go. So I don't care.
Coach, out of the corner of our eye, should we look at how I did something similar yesterday morning?
Yeah, you could always go back for previous data. Yep, absolutely. Yeah, but if we're going to get the stall out, I don't want to be in it. You can remember it's 11 o'clock. We need
I feel
volume.
I feel if it's not pushing right now,
Yeah.
it's gonna just
That's
pull.
yeah, same. If it's not going to give some power, then them buyers will get fatigued. You know?
Yeah.
And I don't want it. I don't care. It's not worth the risk. Go in small, right? You could always go in smaller. Go very small and make your move. So right here, if I wanted to, I could go 1 right here. Right? I'd be like 1, $75 risk. We'll double it, right? There's a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. $75. Here, I'll do one more. Let me see. That would be, so I give it a room for the candle wick. That is a $87.50 risk. See it? For 150 return up here. And now do whatever the hell you want.
Excuse me, Coach. Do we have a mod for gold?
I'm sorry, go ahead.
Do we have a moderator for gold today?
Today is Thursday.
It's Richard.
Yeah, Richard will be in there. Yep.
All right, but it's still here. All right.
Yes, I will.
There you go.
This takes me forever to find the mic.
Yeah, no worries. Thank you, partner. Appreciate you.
We had a good mentorship yesterday, too. So people look at that for membership.
Yeah, absolutely.
Diamond will give you all of that.
Speaking of that, moderators, did we sell one or am I closing it? Let me look. Last chance? This is it. Is anybody buying the Diamond Lifetime membership right now, or are we done?
I'll ask my business friend that was considered.
Bruno, close the doors forever. That's it. It's over. Done. You'll never be able to buy that again. Congratulations, everybody. Let me take a look at it. Let me see what the count was. Let me see how many of you geniuses took advantage of that. Hold on. That was such a crazy deal. Don't ever let me do that again. That was stupid. Ever. Don't you ever. I want you to think about this. On average, just so you guys know, most people will buy $20,000 to $30,000 worth of my memberships. That's on average. Every lifetime membership is $5,000, right? I was giving you all of it for $5,000. That was stupid. All right, hold on. Let me look. I want to see actually how many got it. I can get a count. Give me 1 second. I'm just curious. It is now $20,000 if you want one. Yeah, and I know we watered it down and I was doing sales and deal. We're not doing it. There will be no more watering down. It was never supposed to have been watered down. It was never supposed to have been that ridiculous of a deal. That was stupid. I still can't find it. Where is it? Do we have a number, Bruno? Oh, wait, right here. I got it. Hold on. So show how many members?
It's around like 260.
Like, oh my gosh, did we do that many? Oh, yeah, it shows 287, but I think you were given some to people to make it easier. So, yeah, about 260 people got the Diamond Lifetime membership. Give yourselves a round of applause because people later are going to be looking at you going, why do you guys have all that? Do you remember when we had the OG for $500?
Yes, sir.
And
that was my first
years,
thing.
people are like, I wish I would have got that.
That's what
That
I
was my first purchase.
That is literally the one that I have.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
$500 one lifetime.
Absolutely. Yeah, close it. Take it off the store. I don't want to see it. It doesn't exist in my world anymore. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach.
Yes. Thank you. I appreciate you guys. Let's get back to making some real money. Spy. Yep. It's still staying tall, but damn, this thing's moving. There's just no volume at all here, right?
Yeah.
Like at all.
It's on the cruise ship right now.
Oh, don't forget, I have one left. Speaking of sales, I have one coach's mentorship available. One.
God.
Literally one. You guys can work with me one-on-one for a whole year straight. 3 hours a month. We can do a 3 hour a month. We can do 2 1.5 hours a month, right? To get you to where you need to be. Now, for the record, every millionaire we've had in here, there's 14 of them. Every single one of them have had a one-on-one with me at least once. Some of them have had 3 and 4. Not results guaranteed, but there's kind of a correlation between working directly with my face and right with your face on where you can go, right? Oh, this is moving up nice. Look at where we're at up here. Ooh, we are up.
I'm counting on that, Coach.
Yeah, thank you. We're up on the ceiling. Now, obviously, results not guaranteed, all the things. I have one left. It's $50K. We worked a deal with somebody. I think we did 4 payments at $1,250. Another one might have been 2 at $25K. I don't know. We can work it out. No, you can't stretch it out over 12 months. None of that type of bullshit. But seriously, I have one. Does anybody want it? Because it is first come, first served. I'm doing 3. There's 1 left. Let me know. Open up a ticket. By the way, too, and I told my moderators, if you were not a Diamond member, you are when you buy my mentorship program. We will immediately make you a Diamond member included for free with it. If you're already one, well, you already won. But if you weren't, if you're on a lower tiered service, we are also throwing in the $20,000 Diamond lifetime membership for free with the Coach's Mentorship Program. Thank you.
Okay, so that's crazy. Who seriously, if you have the wherewithal, you need to get on that.
Yep.
ASAP.
Thank you. I appreciate
Well,
that.
I went on Spy while he's talking and
I
make
know.
money.
I know. It's just cranking into the moon over here.
Is that news? It's crazy.
I don't know. Does anybody know? Was that news? What is this? I know it broke through that major double top area and just ripped. I missed the whole thing while I'm over here talking. Trying to catch the tail end of it, but damn.
And I did not want to interrupt you. I was like, I hope you see this.
Yeah, that's all right. Catching the tail end of it, but damn, right?
That's a lot of money right there.
Yeah, it is. I just took 600 of it, but it would have been thousands. It is what it is. It's still moving up nicely, right? It broke through our main level. If you guys look at this, this is where we wanted to see it break through. And as soon as it broke through, it was out of here. I've got another level at 626.51 marked. Remember, you guys gave that to me this morning. Somebody gave me 626.50, I believe.
I think it was Nana.
Is that Nana?
Was it? Okay.
Yeah.
There you go.
I got you, Coach.
So that's where we're watching.
We hear you, Nana.
Thank
Look
you.
at that pullback.
Thank you.
Yeah, I just took my profit.
Yeah, that's nice. Good job.
Good job.
Piece of crack.
Very nice. Beautiful. Good call on that, Nan, up there on that 626.50.
I got you, girl. I tell you, I got you.
Good job. She was going to say, I got you, girl.
I find that teacher on the internet about 3 years ago. I don't remember his name. Weirdo, completely weirdo.
Right?
Tried to teach me Spy.
Nice.
I caught that girl, Coach.
Yeah, you heard it too, right? As I say, he was trying to combine you with me. Right here, one of my members. Speaking of Diamond members, speaking of having one-on-ones with me, too, is now up $45,241.60. Oh, never mind. Now up $62,581.60.
He's like a ticker.
Speaking of those one-on-ones, right? Tell me that didn't pay off, which is funny because I still remember to this day. This person whose name shall not be said, I remember his goal was I think it was 250 or 400 a day. It might have been 400 a day so that he could make more than a six-figured income and retire. We had that within 6 months. That was his job was over. It literally
It was 400.
Was it 400? Yeah,
Yep.
literally a one-on-one with me, and now super mega millionaire. Done. Same thing with the other person. The other person that made 11 million yesterday. I think we had two. It might have been one, maybe three. I don't remember because back then I was doing hundreds of those one-on-ones. $11 million yesterday. I charge $6,000 an hour. Is it worth it? Some people are like, there's no way you can charge $11 million. Was it worth the price of admission? Right. Results not guaranteed, obviously, but you can see, right, how it can be different for one person than the other, the money that we're talking about. Makes sense? Right. Oh, let me look. Somebody said Apple finally turned. Yep, Apple's on a 2-minute EWO now to the upside. Yep. Oh, man, SPY is staying up here, too. It's staying up here. Let me look. Oh, it's still got room. We still got room up here in this channel off of SPY, too. Wow. We got a lot of space still up here. What is... Okay, it has to stay above... Has to stay above 626.25. I'm going to mark this. That's where it was consolidating. So as long as SPY stays above... Oh, I've got it marked here. The 626.25. Right there. As long as it can stay above that, green, blue skies. See it? Good job. Good job. Oh, now that, just so you guys know, Coach is always doing stuff. Now that we got the Diamond Lifetime membership out of the way, get ready for Platinum. It's coming. Remember, I've been telling you guys for months, if you are a Diamond member, you get all of my membership services forever. Platinum's coming. I think I'm going to announce it. We'll see you on our 3rd anniversary. All of you, all 260 people that got the Diamond, you just saved yourself about $100,000 of memberships. Congratulations.
Welcome in that.
Thank you very much, Coach.
Yep. Good job, Bo. I didn't want to mention it because I don't want to be like, strong arm him into a Diamond. I don't give a shit. You either take it or you don't. You either bought the dip or you didn't. Am I right? Thank you.
And what's in that Platinum, Coach?
I can't tell you right now.
Ooh, it's like a mystery box.
Yep, I can't. I cannot tell you right now. Oh my gosh, it's already 11:15. I can tell you right now, if you were Platinum members, you'd be coming with me right now. I can tell you that. And we'd go over and we'd start live trading together. You would be in that room with me. Yep. And none of this talking and bullshit. You could see me trading. You know that I'd have other multi, how many? 50 multi-millionaires in that room with me trading, right? Or talking. It depends on who I can get in that room, right? Because some people are skittish and I don't want you to see me making, $50 million a day and all this other shit. We'll see. So I'm kind of piecing it together to see who can do what with me, right? Thank you. Oh, this is off the 9. I should have scooped this right here. I did. A little late, but I'll take it. It's only a tick off. Still got plenty of room. So it's 187.50 a tick with 15. Okay. Gosh, this thing moves so slow compared to NQ, right? This thing is nutto land watching this thing. This is like watching the paint dry. Oh my gosh. Yep, this is why I don't trade it.
Holmes is green paint.
Oh my gosh. Can't do it. Right here, is this going to respect this 9 or not? If it isn't, I'm out. This will tell me right here. See these candle wicks? Right here. This is going to be it. Is it going to respect that level or not? Let me put in a hard stop. We saw where it wicked. Get rid of this. Scoot this in like this. Have to let this work. But look at it. Down, 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 down. See it? Not good. Is it going to stay or not? See it here? Look at this trend. See the trend? I'm still using the 9, but look at my overall trend. Can anybody see what I just drew?
Yeah. Gotta hold that 30 cents.
Yep. Look at this thing. Right? But if you look at that, we also know if this can pop above this trend line, volume will come in, right? And then payday. And I'm still using my 9. And I've also got my support level right here. Remember, that's that this level right here I've got. So I've got support, possible trend line break equals payday. I got to be ready to move this thing when it punches through, if it punches through. Qs are on the high end. Qs are over there, 2-minute EWO on the upper band. All right, here we go. Come on, break. See if we get some volume in here. You see how it's right on the cusp? Oh, we're right there. Look at the way it's dead. Is this dead? Look, this hasn't moved. Is this on my end? Is it really that stuck? It really was, wasn't it? There we go. Come on, you need more. Let's get a pop out of there. Give me a little more. I do not want to put the stop so tight where it just immediately gets stopped out. Come on. Just got to hold that trend, break that trend, and run. Am I right? Still got my stop in place. Come on. Stay up there. All right, no sense in holding this forever. Okay, stop is still in place. You guys see it? Now, this respected the trend line to the downside. You see it here? It's still respecting this. It's not good for me. But again, if we can get a pop out of the trend line, let me blow this up. Does that make it clear? Does that make it easier to see it?
Yeah, for sure.
First question.
Yeah, go.
When you draw that trend line like that, can you just, or are you looking at 1 minute, 2 minute? Can you look at it on kind of any time frame if you went to a 5 and just wanted to say, okay?
Yeah, you can. Yep, absolutely, partner.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
You got it. Yeah, this is closing in on me, but right when everybody's like, it's going to drop, if it breaks the trend, it tried to here, though. Did not have strength. It tried. Did not have the strength. Look at this thing. Pop or drop moment. Next 2 candles. See it? Come on, baby. Spike up there. If this gets up there again and stalls, I'll kill it flat, going smaller, and then give it the opportunity. Because now, look how far away this is. Come on, get up there. Oh my gosh, just teeter. This is so slow. Remind me to never trade ES again. What the heck? This is, by the way, this is supposed to be like the big table for most traders. Is this ES? Oh my yawn fest. Yikes. Stop me out. That's it. Done. Cooked. I'm out. Let me flip this. Let me see what's going on over here because that is horrible. There's NQ, baby. All right, let's take a peek. Yeah. Let's see what 10 NQ does. Guys ready? Everybody in the room ready? Yes? Okay, good.
Go
Glad-
for it. Go for
Okay,
it.
good. Glad we're all still here. Thanks. Everybody's still awake. Okay, good. Glad to hear
We're
it.
still here. I
Okay.
can't believe the way you just chucked ES. That was your babe.
Yeah, but it's so slow. I can't do it. It's like going from SPY to SPX. It's just too slow. All right, here we go. Watching to see if we get a bounce off this 21. Watch the movement. Watch the difference.
I told you to do it.
Watch this over here. Watch the P&L on this one. There's 375, 575, 525. I'll take it. There's 500. You see what I mean? The other one's like,
Doop dee doo.
Fall asleep.
terrible. Some of you might like that. I can't do it. After 33 years, ugh. I can't do it.
I can't do it,
I
Carlton.
really can't. I want to see some movement. I want some action. I need some action in my life. Ooh, this is a good opportunity for a pop. So gotta wait. Jay and go.
Hey, coach. Quick question. Usually when I got in a trade like you did right now, my mindset says, okay, let's wait for a little bit more, and then it goes against my position. What would be your suggestion, like just to have a mindset, like I exit at certain point, move
Go
on?
smaller, and then you don't have to fear that anymore, right? Yeah, go
Okay.
in smaller, and then you can let it work a little bit. Right? Because even if it goes against you, it's still going to give it a chance to work in the range you're talking about. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, like right here. So now this is showing me now it wants to fall down. So now I'm watching this, right? Where just a second ago I was like, hey, this wants to go up. Now I'm watching this, it wants to fall. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Boom.
There you go.
So now what I'm doing is I'm watching its own body to give myself a visual cue if I have to get out. Otherwise, boom, just made 250 bucks.
Amazing.
But in my head, I'm looking at this spot. You see right here? In my head, if it moved above itself, I kill it. Right? I'm giving myself visual cues off of what it does. Right? I don't recommend that for any of you because especially with NQ, don't do that because it could just right, rip your face off. But
Yeah, and one of the biggest mistakes that I do is always try to chase anything, and when I get in, it goes against me. So I say, oh, seriously?
Yep. Emmy says, old man trading. Yes. Yes. I am the most experienced trader you'll find anywhere on the internet. That is correct. Thank you for being here. Thank you. Appreciate you. Thank you for watching this, old man. I appreciate it. Mark, what is that? Can I post that publicly? Come on. Let me know. I gotta post that, dude. You gotta let me post that. Say it. Say it. Otherwise, the communication was lost and I accidentally posted it. Say it. Say it right now. Say it. You better say it. This is great. If I can get it, if I can. Hold on. All right, all diamond and platinum members. Oh, I forgot. We don't have the room set up yet. Oh, my bad. I was about to call you all into the room. Hold on. Never mind. Never mind. I don't have it set up yet. Never mind. I'm getting you excited, though, now, though, huh? Getting you amped. You guys can feel it now, can't you?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, here we go. Get above that 9. Get above the 9 right here and go. You got a lot of room to the upside if this can hold. better flip this. Hold on. NQ. Boy, it's a hell of a lot different picture when I go to NQs. I don't like it up there. Look at ES. I'm like, oh, you got so much. I go to NQ. I'm like, no, you don't. Mark, I want to post that. I got to post it. You better tell me. Yay. Just got to prove. All right, here it comes. Look at that picture. I just put it in the Zoom chat. I'm going to throw it in the membership lounge. Paid members, look at that pic. You guys like that pic? There's $400. Oh, that's great, Mark. Look at that picture, you guys. It's the best. It's the best. You're the best. You're the best. Mark's a good old boy. I like that guy. He's all right. Don't tell him I said that. You understand me?
Oh my God, look at that pic.
Is that the best or what? Huh?
Oh my God.
Is that the greatest thing that's ever happened?
That is awesome.
Oh, I love it. Come on now. That's glorious.
Oh my God.
That is beautiful. Oh, you know what? While we're all over here making money, I need to have station identification. Bear with me just one moment. Let me do the things and the stuff and all the things and stuff that does things and... Okay, hold on.
You guys want to head over to AmericanDreamTrading.com and get signed up at least for the free Discord. Make sure within the first 24 hours you verify your account. You will get an email from us to make sure you verify your account, or the system will kick you off thinking you are spam. You guys can get into our premium membership at $125 a month. With that, you'll get access to the membership lounge, which we have an open microphone where you can ask any questions all day from 8:45 until 4 o'clock. You guys will get all the hot stock picks, which we've already posted and have already been making money on this morning. You'll get the pre-market setup, which will give you key critical areas at the opening bell and throughout the day. The IPO Center, so any new and exciting IPOs that come out, you will have access to those. Any earnings that are coming out, and of course, our videos on demand. We have 11 full training videos to get you started. Things like the 2-minute EWO, day trading, swing trading, covered calls, cash secured puts, etc. All inside of our premium membership for $125 a month. When you guys are ready to upgrade, I highly recommend, regardless of how much experience you have, signing up for the VIP membership starting at $500 a month. With that, you'll get the pre-market access starting at 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. every day. You guys will get access to the VIP lounge, all the workshop classes. We put one of those on every month, and the previous recorded sessions. You guys will get the VIP training videos. We have over 50 advanced training videos for you. And the Trading View indicators. If you have a VIP, you can upgrade to the Gold add-on, which is an additional $250 a month. You can get the mastermind classes, 1 hour of tech support if you need us to remote in and help you get your charts, etc. set up. We can do that for you. You'll get weekend training every Saturday at 11 o'clock. You'll get the VIP Gold Lounge access, priority help desk support, our news service, which is worth its weight in gold just for that. You'll get all the breakout rooms every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at noon. Everything, of course, for you as a gold member will be recorded. So if you are gold for crypto futures or stocks and options, all the sessions will be recorded for you. And of course, you'll get our exciting live Apple chat. We've got David over there in the mornings showing you exactly what he's doing with the 2-minute EWO and just the Apple, which is one of our amazing strategies that you guys will learn here. So we have our Futures membership, our regular Futures membership starting at $250 a month, which the Futures is going on right now. They are, again, just like us, every day with a live open microphone from 8:45 to 4 o'clock every single day. You'll get all the Futures education, all of the training videos, the Futures Lounge. The Trading View indicators are actually included with the Futures memberships that start at $250, and of course, all of the extra Zoom classes when they have them. Crypto is the same thing. If you guys want to jump into the crypto, that one now is also $250 a month and includes the Trading View indicators. Same thing, all the training videos, anytime that the Zoom sessions are available. Now, the Zoom sessions for crypto is a little different just because it's a 24 hours, so we try to bounce that one around so you get different time and different events. We are always posting those. So you guys make sure you take advantage. And of course, a Diamond Lifetime membership. With that, you get everything. Unlimited, lifetime access, all of our membership services, meaning anything that I create. Platinum's coming up, you'll have access to it. I believe that's going to be $1,000 a month. Diamond, you'll get access to that. It'll just be $20,000. You guys want to head over to AmericanDreamTrading.com and get signed up.
All right, there you go. Let me flip that back. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. Real quick, I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Don Miranda, Unhappily a Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Palmcoast, Ange, Richard, Doug, Bucko, Chris, Eminem, Ralph, Jeffrey, Mountain Man, Gilly, and Diesel Dan. I have not seen Gilly around in a while. Moderators, we need to look into that. Appreciate all of you.
He was in the aftermarket 2 days ago.
Yeah, he's
not on the panel, but in the chat.
Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on. He's not moderating anymore, though, so we need to look at that. All right. Appreciate everybody. Have a blessed day. Thank you all for hanging out with me. Don't forget to go join Mark over at between 2 and 4 o'clock today. That is Mark. Join him between 2 and 4 o'clock today. Appreciate all of you being here. Hold on. Nice. Pinewood made that pick, by the way. Love that pick. Is this crashing out? Am I looking at this as a crash out? I was just in this a second ago, and it didn't. Oh, you sucker. All right. Love your faces. Thank you again to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. We appreciate and honor you every day here. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me, all my truck drivers around the world. There it is. Thank you. I appreciate you all for being here. Love your faces. I did